The F11PRO 2 has 3 video cables, making it compatible with most smartphones. Check that the drone and remote are successfully connected. The F11PRO 2 transmits video via digital transmission, no Wi-Fi required. Pull out the phone mount. Please note, the USB-C video cable is on top of the controller and can be seen after opening the phone holder. Only the video transmission port works for image feed. The charging port won't transmit video. Insert one end of the data cable into the data port located at the top of the remote control. Make sure your phone is firmly secured. Connect the other end of the cable to your phone. Check that the phone is charging and follow prompts to finish setup. Open the correct app, Ruko Mini, not Ruko Fly, Ruko Drone, or Ruko Pro. Once the app opens, wait a couple of seconds, it will automatically take you to the control screen.